All right, so the Enchanted Gardens was one of my favorite places to eat, and I didn't expect it to be. Yeah, it's an Enchanted Garden, but it was just really, really beautiful. They tell me it changes at night, and I do see that the flowers open and close, so I really haven't seen it at night, but I want to. The food was delicious. We went for lunch, and that was sit down where they actually came over and took your order. Breakfast, we had a buffet, but these scrambled eggs were a little too soupy for me, so the guy said, oh, just go ask your waiter and they'll make you an omelet, the best crispy bacon, anything you want to ask for. Again, I'm going to tell you, this was different than other cruises I experienced. On other cruises, if the eggs were too runny, that's it. Those are our scrambled eggs. It was pretty awesome. It's one of my favorite places, the Enchanted Garden.
You can go ahead and get the fountain.